y'all, welcome back to the garage. So today we're gonna get after the oil tank. In my previous video you saw it kind of just taped up there, but today we're gonna start getting after it. We're gonna get it mounted, try and get the battery box mounted, get the fender cut. At least that's the goal. We'll see how far we make it, but the main thing is gonna be the oil tank. So let's take a look at it, see where we're at right now, what we got, and then we'll dive into it. So right now we got the oil tank, it's mocked up. This is the horseshoe oil tank from Lowbrow Customs. It's designed to work with this frame. So these are the tabs that come with it here. And they're gonna weld on like this, and then that's gonna line up with these here. There's little rubber grommets that go in here to aid with it. But yeah, I've already kind of marked where I need to kind of weld them at. So we're gonna get the top ones welded. I'm gonna get it screwed in so that way it can sit up here, and then that'll allow me to get the bottom one welded in, which will weld in underneath here like this. And that plate looks like this here, so that'll weld in down here and line up with the bottom holes. So yeah, we'll get to it. All right, so we got it mounted up. Let's take a look at it, and I'll show you what's going on, how I did it, why I did what I did, and we'll see the results. All right, so as you can see here, we got the gas tank, the oil tank mounted up. So welded these two in right here, and that's where they screw in the top. And then for the bottom, you can see right here, welded this to the back, screw this in here. I had to trim this piece right here down a little bit though. And then for the battery box, we got that mounted up right here. I just kind of mocked up a battery out of cardboard so I can get my spacing right. For this one, I had to create like a little mounting bracket thing underneath there. It's kind of hard to see. That mounted to the frame, kind of pushed it up off. It is off center a little bit. If you look at it this way, you can see it's off center to the left because the chain. But as of right now, nothing's touching anything like that. And then once I get the actual battery, I'll cut the fender and stuff once I get everything up there. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Kind of just what progress I've made. But yeah, if you like what you've seen here and you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.